Claude Code reads every file in your repo and edits any of them, which is most of the job. Ask it why checkout broke last night and it stalls. That answer lives in Sentry, and Sentry sits outside the workshop wall. So you become the hands, you copy the stack trace over the wall, then the schema, then the docs. Every question costs you a round trip, and the pile on the bench keeps growing. Every vendor's first answer was to cut a custom hole. A Slack one, a Postgres one for every editor, each a different shape. 50 tools and 10 assistants meant 500 bespoke holes, and every one was somebody's weekend. MCP fixes the shape instead. Model Context Protocol is one hatch that every tool can be built to, so Claude Code learns the hatch once, and whatever bolts onto it works. An mcp-server is a small program running on the other side of the wall. Bolted beside its hatch is a card listing what you may ask for. Search the issues, run a query, grab a screenshot. Claude reads that card the way it reads your code. When it needs one, Claude picks a line off the card, slides a request through the hatch, and waits. The server does the work on its own side and passes the answer back. The model never touches your database. Adding one takes a single line, Claude mcp add, a name, and the command that starts it. Commit that config to the repo, and your whole team gets the same hatch already wired. Watch what changes. Context7 hands over the current docs instead of the ones the model half remembers from training. Playwright opens a real browser, clicks your form, and reports what broke. There is a bill. Every card on that wall gets read before you have said a word. 20 servers is thousands of tokens of menus sitting in the context window, crowding out your code. Prune them. Turn off what this repo does not need. And you did not write those cards. A server can hand back text that reads like an instruction, and a model that trusts its tools will follow it. Approve each tool the first time you see it, and scope the keys down. Cut 2 hatches, not 20. The database it queries all day, and the docs it keeps guessing at. Claude Code was never short on reasoning, it was short on reach. So next time it stalls on a question about your own system, you will know it is not broken. It is standing at a wall with no door yet. If that clicked, you will want what comes next. Await fetch knowledge complete. Subscribe for more and see you next fetch.